Good morning, children. Today we're going to discuss about a chapter called nutrition. So what is nutrition? We have studied about nutrition in our lower classes. That is all about the food and feeding of organisms. So there are different kinds of organisms on this planet. All these organisms, they perform different activities. Say for example, take you as an example. Human beings. We perform different kind of activities in our day-to-day life. So we walk, we run, we study, we do our homeworks, we play, and we watch TV. So in this way, we do exercise. In this way, we do a lot of work every day, many kinds of physical works and mental works. So to do all these works, we need energy. Without energy, it is not possible to do any work. So from where do we get energy? We get energy from food. So all organisms, they need some substance to get energy. That is food. But here, how do organisms obtain their food? Based upon this, the organisms are classified into different groups like autotrophic organisms, heterotrophic organisms, saprophytic organisms. It shows that the different modes by which the organisms obtain their food material, because it is the source of energy to carry out their life activities, their life processes. So we already studied about, just we'll recall the saprophytic mode of nutrition, autotrophic mode of nutrition, heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Say for example, if we talk about autotrophic mode of nutrition, autotrophic. So in this mode of nutrition, the organisms are able to make their own food material. Say, for example, we are not making our food. Of course, we may be cooking our food, but we are not producing our food. Just we are depending on plants and animals. We eat vegetables, we eat eggs. So these are the products of plants and animals. Simply we are acquiring, gathering and eating them, but not we are producing. But whereas there are certain organisms which prepare their own food material by using the simple substances. So such mode of nutrition is called as autotrophic nutrition. Here the example, plants. The plants, they use up very simple inorganic materials in the environment, in the nature, to make food molecules. Say, what do they use? Plants use water. In chemical form we write H2O, and they use carbon dioxide, and along with that they may use certain minerals. So by the combination of these simple substances, these are very simple substances. Water is a simple substance, carbon dioxide is a simple substance, and minerals are the simple substances. So by using all these simple substances, by certain process like photosynthesis, they prepare the food material, organic molecules like carbohydrates. Basically, carbohydrates are prepared. So these substances, these carbohydrates, the basic food molecules, are the food for all the other higher level of organisms. So different organisms, we are dependent on plants for our food. So why do we eat rice? Why do we eat bread? Why do we eat rotis, chapatis? That is all because all these contain the food molecules like carbohydrates which give us energy. So that food molecules like carbohydrates, the complex molecules, are prepared, are produced by plants by using simple substances like water, carbon dioxide and minerals.